Quality coaching can be out of reach from many serious aspirants. That's why we at LevelUp IS we believe that nothing should stop and nothing should come in a way of a serious aspirant. No financial struggles. Do you remember Manoj Kumar Sharma from the movie 12 Fail? उनकी जर्नी भी इस प्रिपरेशन के दौरान काफी आसान नहीं रही थी. He also had faced many financial problems and many other problems, but he finally found a good support system to turn his dreams into reality. And just like that, we here at LevelUp IS we are offering a scholarship of rupees 50,000 for a GS Foundation course 2026 so that you can also get the right mentorship without getting tensed about the cost. And this isn't just about reducing fees, it's about giving you a full proven system that has helped hundreds of aspirants to clear this exam. So if you are a serious UPSC 2026 aspirant and willing to put in effort and ready to study in a structured manner, this opportunity is for you. Now let me tell you how you have to register for the scholarship test. Click in the link which is in the description or in the first comment of this video. Fill the registration form and confirm your participation. We will send you the test link via the email. This test is completely free. Opportunities like these, they don't come every day. Take control of your preparation and prove your dedication. Let nothing stop you from achieving this dream of clearing this exam and getting good rank. 50,000 scholarship is waiting for you if you appear in the scholarship test and get good rank. So register now and take this first step of achieving the dream of clearing this exam.